Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to control the avatar stun in iClone 8. I'm going to show you all the step by step. So start from now, let's go. I'm going to just start a fresh new project, start from beginning. And this is iClone 8. I'm going to just use a CC3 and CC4 avatar as the sample. Right now, this is Camilla. She's a CC4 avatar. Then, the first step to control the tongue, what you need to do is just make sure you already selected the 3D avatar. Go to the face key, and first step, you need to go to the muscle. Make sure this piece selected and let her open the mouth. Next step, just click the tongue. And here you can see by default nothing selected. What you need to select is the center piece 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6. Then at here you can just move your mouse cursor to here and drag it down. Then you can see the tongue is already out. Again, if Ctrl Z if you are not satisfied, just drag it down. Now you can see the tongue is already out. And actually, you can just click and move here. Then you should be able to move it. It is really easy. Alright, this is the way to control the tongue. If you want to reset to 0, just click here. Then go and open the mouth again. Again. Control the tongue, just like that. And at this moment, you can just select this part. Then you can just move this part. It is really easy. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to control the tongue of any CC4 avatar in iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!